I got a box of the organic brown whole grain brown rice, and I have some fixed, so we are going to do a taste test. Not too bad. So you take this and you just tear the very top of it off, stand it up in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you're good to go. For one serving, there's there's 2 servings per container, 350 for one serving. If you eat the whole thing, it's 690. So if you're looking for some new side dishes or rice to try, be sure to grab this. You get 6 packages of this in the box.